Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now a little bit of movement on the euro. The French government looks like it's going to collapse on a budget impasse, not too dissimilar to what we saw in Germany. And that could sort of snowball across the eurozone. So just keep an eye on that one. What we are seeing, yuan weakness and euro weakness, pushing the dollar up, right? Not dollar strength. That's why dollar yen is going down because of the chance of higher rates in Japan. Now, the yen is our best trending instrument and one that you need to be focusing on. Where you look at the other pairs, and you know what? I can't really pinpoint what's going on. Aussie and Kiwi just following euro down. So euro's being pushed down by geopolitics, and that is a little bit disruptive. All I like to see is an instrument that is trending well. And if you look at the yen crosses, once again, this is like a repeat of yesterday, right? If the trend is down, the trend is down, right? Look to get into it. Looking at the data that is going to potentially disrupt things today, Swiss CPI numbers, definitely worth a look. You come through the weekly gasoline crude stocks in the US, that's about it, right? There's no major data coming out, so I can't see things changing too much. You look at the US Treasury yields, pretty steady, right? If anything, from yesterday, US equity futures are up, but we are seeing a risk-off profile, right? And that's a bit of a mismatch. So just be aware of that. There's like the yuan, the pressure on the yuan is real, right? China's had their way for a long time, and they keep changing their currency value just to keep themselves competitive. But Donald's got different plans for that, right? The tariffs, you can't stop that, right? So whatever they do with their currency, that's going to be offset by the tariffs, and that's going to put a huge amount of pressure on the yuan, and that's going to drag the Aussie down and the Kiwi, right? So there's this is the initial part of Trump sort of rolling out his plan, and it seems to be good. The one thing I like about this is the yen. Okay, they're just going about business, and that's what I like to see. Right, just to give you the heads up on that Bank of Japan, 19th of December, 57% chance of a 0.25% hike. That's the main reason why the yen is going up, right? So dollar yen down, the yen crosses down, and that's all you need to be looking at, right? The other pairs looks a bit tricky, right? So anyway, my tip is go for the yen or the yen crosses, dollar yen or the yen crosses, and that's where your attention should be. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.